Hi friends, welcome to my channel. The weather has suddenly changed. It has become very smoky and cloudy. Aren't we like this sometimes? Don't we change our mood suddenly? Even our energies keep shifting all the time. Our thought process keep changing all the time, every time. So what I mean to say is that today you can see me in the best form because yesterday I promised myself. I said दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाए. I am going to follow my morning routine. And even keeping a break made me realize, there are times when that break is also required. Okay, that break also is a period of rest and relaxation and to do things differently. And I always, that's my ritual. Whenever it's a new year, in the month of January, I have a haircut. I always have my haircut, and last time it was this short. I just gave up on all my hair. This time I'm not planning to make it very short, but yes, yesterday I went for a haircut, but then the parlor which I go to was like, that person was busy. I said, then I was thinking, should I sit here and waste my... Then he said, no, come after 1.5 hour, ma'am, because it's busy. So I went back home and I was just thinking, should I go back again? Then I said, no, let it be. It still looks nice. It like really looks nice. So let it be. Let it be the way it is. It doesn't need a haircut. Maybe next month or so. So yes, my hair is also looking good and nice and beautiful. Face is glowing. Did I do a facial? I don't remember when I did, 5 years ago maybe. So it is nothing to do creams. So it is being in nature, being calm, using your morning routine. Please, people, morning routine. Get up, take bath, drink a glass of water, 1 or 2 glasses of water. Then straight head to the bathroom. Take a bath. Then wear fresh clothes and move that ass out. No need to eat and drink unless and until you are having some medical problems or something of that sort. And thank God, thank you for a beautiful day. Start your day with prayers. A lot of people who are sluggish, who take things for granted. No, thank you for all your blessings. I'm not saying to concentrate on positive. When you're going through bad days now, even those positive things वो भी काटने दौड़ने आ जाती है. So don't be so artificial. Just say, Lord, thank you for the blessings. And whenever you're doing even minute jobs, कभी-कभी वो strength नहीं होती है, household chores or petty jobs or something around your house like cleaning, dusting, and you don't feel like doing it. I understand how it is. But if your environment is neat and organized, you also feel better, less cluttered. So just saying, Lord, give me the strength. Sometimes when I'm literally, I always say, Lord, give me the strength. Please give me the strength. Please give me the strength. Literally मेरे मुंह से ये आता है. God, give me the strength. Please guide me. Please guide me. I really wish I was like this before. I was before also like this. जैसे I used to go out somewhere and I used to say, protect me. You have to say that prayers. Please protect me, guide me. मैं किसी लोगों से बातें कर रही हूँ या किसी को मिल रही हूँ. So always when you're going out of the house, Lord, please bless me, protect me. ये सारे prayers होने चाहिए. चलते फिरते भी. You people will think, what do you think of yourself and all this? It is so artificial. नहीं, please do this. तुम्हें किसी गुरु की जरूरत नहीं होगी. सीरियसली कि कोई ये ना जाके इतने ज़्यादा जो प्रेयर करते हैं ना, मुझे वो ढोंगी पाखंडी और कपटी लगते हैं. सीरियसली, जैसे आई टेल यू द एग्जाम्पल. ये जो मेरी एक्वेंटेंस लेडी थी ना, जिसे मैं जानती थी, इतना प्रेयर, इतनी ढोंगी पाखंडी कपटी, नंबर 1 गॉसिप मॉन्गर, फुल ऑफ जेलसी. ये लेडीज को क्या होता है, वेरी प्राउड अबाउट देयर ब्रेन्स, दे वेरी प्राउड अबाउट देयर इंटेलिजेंस. मैंने बोला, क्या है इंटेलिजेंस का? Sometimes the wisdom comes from the most basic person. So we have to understand. Lead by example rather than controlling people with words. Actions matter. That's what I'm trying to say. एंड नो नीड ऑफ दिस महंगे कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड ऑल. जैसे पार्लर में इफ यू आर गोइंग, जैसे पेडिक्योर मैनिक्योर, sometimes they use the way they do it is also like, I'll tell you, I literally, they have damaged my nails, you know, if they don't do it properly. Okay, they just do it because you're just another object to them, you know, like to make money out of it. They don't treat you like a human being when they're doing services. It's so dirty and hygienic sometimes. Matlab, it looks clean on the surface, but nowadays all these parlors are very, very clean and hi-fi and all. But I'm just giving an example, you know. I don't know, somehow this parlor thing really, even if the ambience is good and all that, great and all that, sometimes yes, once in a while. Earlier I used to be quite fascinated with all these things, to take that package and all that. Not required. Change your diet, drink lots of water, be hydrated, eat natural foods, less processed food, cook your own meals, be peaceful. If somebody is stay away from social media, only just there and thereabouts where you have to answer people. Cut down on useless conversation, gossips, negative energies. That's what I'm trying to say. And keep yourself peaceful. ऐसा नहीं कि I didn't have problems. As I said, I was just going through so much. It's just that blessings of God. It was just blessings, you know. It was such a blessing that I could come out of it. How to handle breakups? A lot of people, how to handle breakups is because you all are so emotionally invested in a person. It is very difficult. हम लोग देवदास बन जाते हैं. तो which is natural. It is natural to be in that devdas mode. But यार तुम किसके लिए इतना खपते मरते हो? किसके लिए? Sometimes you need to close chapters in your life. मैं ये नहीं बोलती हूँ कि my life is perfect with my special person. नहीं, even he has so many qualities which are very irritating. One of them is shutting down. मुँह से एक शब्द नहीं निकलेगा. It's very difficult to communicate with such a person. Very difficult. Maybe there is love, there is everything, but when a person doesn't communicate, it becomes very frustrating. So I'm sure a lot of people are, I won't say a lot of people, ऐसे characters just 1.2% होंगे पूरे दुनिया में जो मूवी नहीं खोलते, उनको कुछ असर ही नहीं करता. तुम चीखो चिल्लाओ कुछ भी, ऐसे वाली चीजें. Oh my God, कैसे है? मैंने बोला ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है? कुछ नहीं. कितना डम है ये रिश्ता, क्या कहलाएगा? So yes, communication wise, when people shut down, वो कैसा होता है वो मूड? Wanted to, मैं नहीं पसंद करती. My hair is really looking absolutely good after such a long time. I'm really liking it, really enjoying my hair. It's beautiful. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Handle breakup the way you're handling other things. It's part of life and close the chapter. You mourn for 1 or 2 months. जैसे I'm going to mourn for 30 days, I'm going to mourn for 60 days, then close the chapter and stop talking about it with every other person. लोग बोर हो जाते हैं फिर. Don't keep repeating the story. Shut it down. एक टाइम पीरियड रखो अपने मोर्निंग का भी, हर चीज़ के लिए. लॉस ऑफ जॉब, लॉस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन, फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स, टॉक्सिक फैमिली मेम्बर्स जहाँ पे यू हैव टू हैंग अराउंड विद देम एंड यू हैव नो चॉइस. अनलेस एंड अंटिल दे आर नॉट अंडर वन रूफ ना, दूर कहीं है तो ठीक है. नेबर्स, कोवर्कर्स, कम्युनिटी के लोग, बिल्डिंग के लोग, मैनेज देम, कीप देम एट अ डिस्टेंस. बाउंड्रीज मतलब मुंह नहीं बनाना है, हाय हेलो करके निकल जाना. और जब वो रॉन्ग करते तो बोलना है. दैट्स ऑल. Manage your breakup like you're managing other problems. It's the same thing basically. It's the same thing. That's all I wanted to say. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.